two failed? Really? That came out of nowhere. Whoops, I had it on broken bow. That makes sense. Whoops. That one's my fault. Is that us? I think so.
561 has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following parishes in Louisiana: DeSoto and Sabine.
That's it? DeSoto and Sabine. Ah, okay.
In Texas, Cass, Harrison, Marion, and Panola.
So it is for Northwest Louisiana. That came out of nowhere. Alright, well, that is our first tornado watch in over a year. First tornado watch for you. I think you've gotten a tornado watch before, maybe not. Who else hasn't got a... You haven't got a tornado watch before. The scroll was up before 93.1. It's not there anymore. You've gotten tornado watch before. You have, I think so too. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Forgot to have you on. That came out of nowhere. I was outside. Okay.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.
Nice.